because I'm black. I know where I belong, way up high with my crown on, because I'm black. I know who I can be, Miss Sojourner Truth or India.Arie, because I'm black. I know what I can do. I can sit with Rosa or march with Martin with my heels on too, because I'm black, because I'm proud, because I'm me.